Given f of x equals the square root of the quantity negative 2x plus 5, determine the function values below. If the function value is not real, enter d and e. Recall the square root function value would be not real or imaginary if the radicand is negative. To determine f of negative 2, we substitute negative 2 for x, which gives us the square root of the quantity negative 2 times negative 2 plus 5. Simplifying under the square root, negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4, giving us the square root of the sum of 4 and 5. 4 plus 5 is 9, and the square root of 9 is equal to 3, because 3 squared equals 9. Next we have f of negative 5 halves, which equals the square root of the quantity negative 2, or if we want negative 2, divided by 1 times negative 5 halves, plus 5. Simplifying before multiplying, 2 divided by 2 simplifies to 1. Under the square root, we now have negative 1 times negative 5 plus 5, and negative 1 times negative 5 is 5, giving us the square root of the sum of 5 and 5, which equals the square root of 10, which does not simplify because 10 does not contain any perfect square factors. Next we have f of 0, which equals the square root of the quantity negative 2 times 0 plus 5. Negative 2 times 0 is 0, 0 plus 5 is 5. F of 0 equals the square root of 5, which again does not simplify. Next we have f of positive 5 halves, which equals the square root of the quantity negative 2 times 5 halves, or if we want negative 2 divided by 1 times 5 halves, plus 5. Again, simplifying before multiplying, 2 divided by 2 simplifies to 1, leaving us with negative 1 times 5 plus 5 under the square root, and negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. F of 5 halves equals the square root of the sum of negative 5 and positive 5, which equals the square root of 0, which is 0. And finally we have f of 2. F of 2 equals the square root of the quantity negative 2 times 2 plus 5. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4, giving us the square root of the sum of negative 4 and 5, which equals the square root of 1, and because 1 squared equals 1, the square root of 1 is 1. I hope you found this helpful.